If you're looking for the best hypoallergenic body washes, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preferences, sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have Cetaphil Ultra Gentle Body Wash. The Cetaphil Ultra Gentle Body Wash is perfect for anyone with dry or sensitive skin. It can also be used by people who are suffering from eczema, as it gently cleanses skin without leaving a residue on it. This body wash is hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and dermatologist tested. The Ultra Gentle Body Wash has a consistency that may surprise you. It is very thick and needs to be applied to a washcloth or a loofah to properly lather the skin. However, once you mix it with water, you will quickly notice that it forms a nice lather that gently coats the skin. Despite its thickness, this body wash washes off with ease. The Cetaphil Ultra Gentle Body Wash contains aloe vera and vitamin B5. It also contains non-irritating moisturizers that coat the skin, making it soft to the touch. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Sebamed Face and Body Wash. The Sebamed Face and Body Wash is a gentle cleanser that works well on all skin types. However, it is especially efficient on acne-prone skin and is adored by people with eczema, psoriasis, and rosacea due to its soothing qualities. This hypoallergenic and dermatologist-recommended brand supports a healthy pH, helping the skin to remain balanced. Due to its many natural and soothing attributes, this face and body wash can be quite expensive. However, it's well worth the price, seeing as it does not irritate even the most sensitive skin. The Sebamed Face and Body Wash is a gentle and soap-free cleanser. It does not contain any foaming agents, preventing it from producing a luxurious lather. Although it won't lather with ease, you can create a consistent foam by applying it to a loofah and rubbing it with water. The number 3 position is held by Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash. The Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash works wonders on sensitive, dry, and itchy skin. It gently cleanses the skin, removing dirt and bacteria while also nourishing and moisturizing it. Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash contains fewer chemical compounds and is free of soap and dye. However, it isn't entirely chemical-free, which is something to consider if you have a skin condition or are prone to skin flare-ups. Aveeno Skin Relief Body Wash is soap-free, which prevents it from lathering to its full potential. You may need to use a lot of product to create a foamy consistency. Or you can opt for the push bottle option, which creates a more consistent foam. Next, at number 4 we have Vanicream Body Wash. The Vanicream Body Wash is a gentle cleanser that is free of dyes, fragrances, parabens, formaldehyde, soap, oil, gluten, and much more. It also doesn't contain formaldehyde releasers or hidden fragrances. This liquid soap works well on all skin types but is especially effective on eczema-prone skin. Due to its non-irritating ingredient list, you can expect a bottle of Vanicream Body Wash to be on the expensive side. However, it does nourish and protect the skin, making it worth the money. The Vanicream Body Wash doesn't contain foaming agents and will not lather to perfection. However, it does create a soapy texture when applied to a washcloth. If you're used to using body washes that contain foaming agents, it might take you a while to get used to it. The number 5 position is held by Eucerin Body and Face Cleanser. The Eucerin Body and Face Soap is an affordable body wash that balances your skin's pH. This soap-free body wash prevents your skin from drying out. It's suitable for all skin types but works wonders on dry, itchy, and acne-prone skin. It's so gentle it can be used on children, too. This dermatologist-approved skincare product isn't overly expensive, and it comes in a large format, so you'll get your money's worth. However, if you have serious skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, we recommend going with something more refined, like the Vanicream Body Wash. The number 6 position is dominated by Carolina Castile Liquid Soap. If you're looking for a basic liquid soap that is made with organic ingredients, the Carolina Castile Liquid Soap is for you. This hypoallergenic body wash is naturally scented, cruelty-free, and vegan. It was formulated to cater to sensitive skin types, as it does not contain harmful ingredients that dry out your skin. This versatile product can be used as a face wash, a body wash, a shampoo, dish soap, detergent, and much more. It's also gentle enough to use on children, babies, and animals. However, it isn't tear-free, so use it with care. The Carolina Castile liquid soap doesn't create a lathering foam when you apply it to your body. It cleans the skin without soaping it up. However, if you enjoy the lathering effect, you can add the soap to a foaming dispenser. Moving on to the next at number 7 with Attitude Shower Gel Energizing. The Attitude Body Wash is a dermatologically tested and hypoallergenic body wash that gently cleanses the skin while allowing it to retain its moisture. It is one of the only body washes on our list that is UV verified, meaning that it avoids the use of concerning ingredients and operates in transparency. This non-toxic formula is paraben-free, silicone-free, formaldehyde-free, and free from synthetic fragrances. It's a great body wash for those of you with sensitive skin. Plus, it's made with orange leaf extract, an antioxidant that regenerates and restores your skin. The Attitude Body Wash is known for its marvelous lathering properties. It produces a decent amount of suds, allowing you to feel fresh and clean after every shower. The number 8 position is held by Botanic Hearth Tea Tree Body Wash. The Botanic Hearth Foot and Body Wash is a cruelty-free product made with maximum strength tea tree oil. It works well on most skin types but may be too strong for those who have ultra-sensitive skin. It helps to rid the skin of impurities that cause body odor, athlete's foot, jock itch, acne, and fungal issues. It's a great body wash for active men and women. The Botanic Hearth Foot and Body Wash does not contain any harmful foaming agents. This prevents it from creating suds that lather the body. However, this antibacterial body wash doesn't need to create suds to successfully cleanse the body. Next at number 9 we have Puracy Natural Body Wash. With award-winning, plant-derived formulas and a following of over 5 million people, Puracy is a great choice when looking for skincare products. The Puracy Natural Body Wash will hydrate, cleanse, moisturize, and care for your skin without leaving any chemical traces behind after the wash. It comes with coconut-based cleansers that foam up nicely for added effect, and clinical-grade moisturizers that hydrate your skin and lock in moisture. The sun-ripened citrus and sea salt in this product will leave you smelling like a warm breath of tropical air. The sea salt also balances and purifies the skin, while the product's all-natural formula means that there are no harsh chemicals that may harm your skin. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Dove Sulfate-Free and Hypoallergenic. This product, from Unilever's Dove line, is a body wash that works great on sensitive skin and also moisturizes. It is made with exceedingly gentle cleansers and is sulfate-free, which reduces the chances of chemicals reacting to your skin. Its Eucerin Moisture technology moisturizes, minimizes skin dryness, and delivers natural nutrients to the skin, thus making this #1 dermatologist recommended body wash ideal for dry and sensitive skin. It is also hypoallergenic and does not contain soap, which protects your skin even more. The formula also provides a rich lather for an added effect that is sure to give you that great shower feeling. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.